Okay, so in the winter we get a lot of mice coming into our house, and we go through a lot of traps. Bunch of ones we found don't like to work very well, and they're expensive. These are just the cheap mouse traps, about 50 cents a piece usually, and a little modification. This one has not been messed with. This one has a little bit of modification. You can tell doesn't like to go off. This one is got a little bit of modification to it. Very, very touchy. Which is just taking a pair of pliers and taking this piece right here that this handle goes down and hooks to, and pinching that till it hooks about halfway onto this rod. Then just be careful setting it, because it's sketchy. Went off that time. Of course I threw it a lot harder. Let me know if this helped out. Saving some cash.